Hello traders, in today's video we're going to be talking about the Amazing Brain EA for MT5. But before we dive into the video, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so let's get into it. This gold focus breakout EA is priced at $800, as you can see over here, and targets XAUUSD with gold on lower time frames like M5 and M15. The developer claims strong performance with small stop losses and no dangerous recovery methods. So let's see what the claims are and how it performed in my tests. Right, so I'm just going to expand this. Right, so we can see it more clearly now on the MQL5 page. Amazing Brain uses a breakout strategy, as you can see stated right from the onset. It generates entries when price crosses borders of certain price ranges. It filters false signals and uses adaptive trailing stop. Small SL protects the account and it avoids martingale, grid, or lot increase strategies. So you can see the recommendations. Right, it's recommended for XAUUSD, the lower time frames M5, M15, M10. It has risk management with fixed or percentage based lots, max spread filter, slippage protection, and time based trading options. The EA is said to have an 87.55 success rates in their materials, with real monitoring signals available. Right, they stress low VIX per trade and the need for low spread brokers plus VPS. So, as for the features marketed by the developer, the key features include breakout detection with false signal filtering, adaptive trailing, break-even options, time filters for intraday trading, and volume level blocking. Parameters cover max spread, slippage protection, risk fixed lots, TP and SL, trailing settings, and session times. So it supports different order types and has protections for high spread periods. The developer provides setup instructions after purchase and recommends checking broker rules for scalping slash short holds. Right, so let's take a look at some of the results from the developer's test. So you can see for an initial deposit of $500, total net profit over the period was $7,170. As you can see here, the profit factor was 2.20, and the balance drawdown was 11.43%, or 11.41% rather. Right, so let's quickly compare that to my own backtest. I was opportune to carry out my own backtest on this EA, so we can see if it actually aligns with what the developer claims. So let's quickly go over to my MT5. Alright, so I loaded this um on the recommended XAUUSD on the M15 time frame for the custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And looking at my results, the equity curve, as you can see, shows overall growth with some flat and drawdown periods ending positively. There are visible spikes in deposit load during active phases. As for the stats, let's go to our results. So for an initial deposit of $10,000 in the period, total net profits was $3,983. The profit factor was 2.45, pretty close to what we have on the developers page, and the balance drawdown was 3.83%. Okay, so the total trades taken over the period were 182 trades. Alright, so compared to claims of high success and low risks, It delivered profits, but with the expected drawdowns of a breakout system on gold, strong in trends, vulnerable in ranges of false breaks. So honestly, the features that matter are proper risk settings, low spread broker, and sticking to recommended time frames. The breakout logic with filters is the core, plus adaptive management. So what are the nuances and risks? Let's just go back to the developers page. Breakout strategies can suffer whipsaws in raging gold markets. Small SL helps but means more losses on fix. Live slippage that spreads at news can hurt. Needs good execution and VPS, not fully hands off during volatile periods. So who is it for? This is for traders focused on gold who understand breakout dynamics, use conservative risks, and can handle drawdown periods. Good for those wanting a straightforward non-greed gold EA. As for who should avoid it, beginners, risk-averse traders, or anyone expecting smooth equity without volatility. So overall, Amazing Brain is a clean breakout EA for XAUUSD without the dangerous averaging tactics. It has potential, but requires proper setup and realistic expectations. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Also, don't forget to grab that free Forex report from the description below with lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.